Hello. Hi. Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of Linux, one of the most powerful and widely used operating system in the world. If you are ever wondered about Linux distributions, how to set up their Linux and how to download, installing and basic Linux commands as well. Today we can discuss about how what is Linux distribution and we can go through some Linux command as well. Okay, first we'll explore different Linux distributions and understand their use cases. Then I'll take you step by step through the Linux server in the AWS cloud. So I'm not going to download any Ubuntu or these distributions and installing them, working on that, but we can utilize the cloud services. Maybe today I will use AWS. Maybe in future we can also use with Azure and GCP as well, their services, by taking the Linux services, and we can work on that. We can explain, we can use that commands and that services Linux servers. Okay, so we'll today we'll cover these Linux distribution and the essential Linux commands as well. Okay, so what is a Linux distribution? So coming to Linux distribution, its distribution is also called an distros, variations of the Linux operating system that bundle the Linux kernel with additional software package managers and tools as well. There are different popular distributions are there, which is a Debian based Ubuntu Kali Linux, Red Hat based, which is also popular, Red Hat and Enterprise Linux, CentOS, Fedora, and Arc based Arc Linux, Manjaro, other special purpose distros like Alpine, SUSE, etc. So I will also directly go with, will show in Chrome or Edge. I'll try to open by clicking Linux distribution. There are several pages, web pages you're able to study by using this. See, Linux is open source operating system that has spanned a multitude of distributions, and this distribution often called distros, range of lightweight and user-friendly options like Ubuntu and Linux Mint to advanced customizable ones like Arch Linux as well. So popular Linux distributions: Ubuntu, Debian, Fedora, CentOS, Arch Linux, Linux Mint, SUSE, Red Hat Linux. So most popular Linuxes are this. Ubuntu is one of the most popular, which is built on Debian. So by the Debian only this Ubuntu was developed. So Ubuntu provides a stable and secure environment, which is for long-term support. Why Ubuntu? Ubuntu is an ideal choice for newcomers to Linux, developers, and anyone for looking for versatile operating system with excellent community support. Okay, Debian is also one of the oldest and most popular Linux distribution. So by using this type Debian only, Ubuntu also developed. Ubuntu and is highly regarded for the rigorous testing process as well. So okay, we are also having Fedora. Fedora is sponsored by Red Hat. Red Hat is one of the most popular. We are also having Red Hat certification on Linux as well. So by Red Hat, by the sponsorship by Red Hat only, Fedora is working, and particularly why Fedora is perfect for developers and tech enthusiasts. And also we are also having CentOS. CentOS is also one of the most popular free operating system. This is also it comes from the code of Red Hat Enterprise Linux only. Okay, Arch Linux is there, Linux Mint is there, which is famous being too easy to use. It can play videos, music right away. Okay, and SUSE is there. Red Hat Enterprise Linux. This is one of the widely used enterprise grade Linux distribution developed by Red Hat. Okay, it is also having a stability, security, performance, making it popular choice. Okay, Red Hat is a perfect for organizations that require a commercially supported Linux distribution with strong security and stability. Okay, then we can go with how we can download these Linux distributions. We are having different types of Linux, right? Windows means Windows, Mac means Mac, whatever you are using. You can go and you can click this link. Here you are able to see 24 popular Linux distributions are available for download. You can click on download, you can install, and you can utilize these distributions of Linux. But I am not going to do that. I am going to use AWS. Already I have opened and I terminated. So again, once again, I will try to launch Linux server and in calm down. I think network is slow. You can cancel this. Wait, I will refresh this page. Launch instance Linux server instance. It's taking too long. Okay, now see, application and OS images are there, right? Here we can utilize Ubuntu, and I am going to use T2 micro. Okay, T2 micro is free tier eligible. AWS is going to provide you 12 months free tier. Everybody know, I think so. By using that, you will able to get this free tier. So I am going with T2 micro, and also created a key pair as well. To create, how you can create, you can click on that create new pair, and here RSA you can give some name here, and then you can click on it is already in PEM, and create key pair. You can click on that, and it will create. Then you will able to see here, and come down. Here I am not going to create any security group, and I am not going to change anything here. I'm just going with the existing default one only. I'm going to use 8 GB is enough, and SSH port we have to add here. Where I have to add, okay, maybe you can add later. Launch instance. Okay, you can click on refresh. See, Linux server is running, initializing. So click on that. You are able to see there it is running state, public IP, private IP, everything you can able to see here. So as I said, I have to give SSH port for that. So can go to security groups, click on this, and here you can see inbound rules. Inbound rules, yeah, I already given edit inbound rule default, I think. So please add, if you are not having this SSH port, you could go, you can click on this SSH, and you can give 000 for access, and you can save changes. Okay, once you given SSH, why we are using SSH in Linux for remote connection, we can go with this SSH. Then go with connect SSH. You are also able to connect here as well. If you, in Windows you can connect through MobiXTEM or else PuTTY, but I am using Mac, so I will go with terminal. But if you don't want it to install any PuTTY or MobiXTEM directly by using EC2 instance connect, directly you can click here connect, see, you are able to connect here as well. Okay, okay, here itself we can do. Okay, what, see, here directly you can connect, we have connected, but if we wanted to connect through Mac or any other server, or if you're having a jump host or bastion server also, if you wanted to connect through some private IP address or private server also, what you can use, the SSH command you can use. -I you can give, particularly that username you can give at the rate particular IP address you can give, and you can click enter. Then you will able to, it will ask some key pair or a password. If you provide that, it will connect. So why SSH is like a remote connection. It is used for remote connection. Okay, it is freely available in from the Unix as well. From Unix it is coming to Linux as well. Okay, so today we are going to talk about few commands like information about system. If you want information about system, particular system, how you can get, what are the commands we can utilize, we can talk about that. Firstly, who I am, if you click like this, sorry, who am I, if you click like this, see Ubuntu. Why Ubuntu? Come here, wait, let me zoom out. See, if you click on, see, username is Ubuntu. That's what here we are able to see, Ubuntu. Okay, you can click clear. If you click clear and enter, this will be erased. Okay, if you click who are able to get username, which is login name, login device, and the time, date, everything will be available. Okay, we're also having uname command. This uname command going to display the features of operating system running on your machine. See, uname command, which is operating system, is your operating system is Linux. Okay, if you click uname -r, okay, which is current release, it will show the version of that particular AWS. This is the version, current version. If you want uname -a, this is going to provide you the kernel name, node name, and all the details like version, machine, everything, hardware, platform, everything it is going to provide you. Okay, then we are also having command like uptime command is also gives one line display for the following, like see here, you are going to get all the details, current time you are getting, system from how much time it is running, current logged, how many users are logged, one user only logged. If this server is also logged by other user, means maybe it will come two user, so I only logged it now, right? So that's what one user is there. Here you can clear, you can click enter, and you can click users command, only Ubuntu is there. You can check the date, you are able to get the date, time, everything. Okay, or also for IP address, what you use to check if someone is asking about IP address, you can click ifconfig. Okay, it is saying that sudo apt install net tools, that is not installed, so we need to install this. Sudo is system administrator, so we are giving sudo apt install net tools. So we need to install, we are in Ubuntu, we use this apt command. Like this you can install, and then you can click on ifconfig. See, once you click on ifconfig, you are able to see ifconfig. I clicked, then we are able to get these details. Here you can see IP address 124. Correct or not, we can come to this, come here, click on instances. In instances you can see the private 124.6.124. like this we can see clear. For host name, if you want host name, means what you will do, host name, if someone asks about host name, you can click host name. You can provide this host name is particular IP address, you can know. If you want to copy paste, means what can do, host name -i. If you click, you're able to get like this IP address. If someone asked about memory, used memory in the system, display amount memory, means you can click directly free command. By clicking free command, you can able to see total amount of free and used, free, total, used, shared, buff cache available of the memory. Okay, use these all used by the kernel. Shared memories are columnly it is divided and is able to understand how much is there, how much used, how much free is there, everything you are able to get the detail here. And we are also having different commands. See, free is there, free -k. If you click it will come in kilobytes. If you click free -m, means it will get in megabytes. Like this g, if you use it will come in gigabytes. Like this you can see. And also we can have other command. If someone asks about disk space, you can click df-h. If you click df-h, you are able to get all the details, like see, total space available, used, mount with which part we have it is mounted, everything will be available here. Man command is there, so which is for manual. See, free man, if you click, you are able to get the manual. To understand this, we are able to use this command, manual command, man command. Why free command is used, and how we can use kilo, megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte. As I said, can use this. We are also having different commands, other commands that we can discuss in next video. Okay. Alright, today we covered basic of Linux distribution, setup of Linux server on AWS, and connected via SSH. Connected via SSH means see, I have connected like this now. If you wanted to connect through SSH, means I will open my terminal. Here you can give mention hyphen I, and particularly you can mention and click connect SSH client. You can click this, and here it should be in particular downloads. It is there. How to go to downloads? Here this AWS key pair is available, so I am clicking here. Like this you can connect through SSH. PWD's command is there, which is present working directory, particularly working directory, on which working directory it is there, we're able to get. Okay, in Windows we call this as a folder, but in Linux we call this as a directory. LS means list, which is going to provide list of files or directories present in that path. So CD is there. CD is change directory. If you wanted to click CD, and if you wanted to move from one path to another part, you can click like this. See, this was changing. Like this you can change. These are the file structure, so we can discuss this in another video. Okay, you can click clear. We're also having some editor commands like cat, touch, vi, nano. These all the things we can discuss in the next video. For now we can close this video. Today we have covered these Linux distributions, Linux server connecting on AWS, connecting via SSH, and some essential commands as well. This is just starting. We can continue this in next video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like button and subscribe for DevOps and cloud related content.